And this video will show you how to deposit Ethereum on your Pocket Option account. First of all, you need to log in, then click on Finance on the left-hand side menu and go to the deposit. Right here, you need to find Ethereum as a payment method. You can use the search and write Ethereum. So there are two options, Ethereum ERC20 and Base Network Ethereum. I suggest you to use Ethereum ERC20 because fees are lower, so I will choose this one. And then you need to choose the amount of Ethereum you want to deposit. For example, $100 worth of Ethereum. Click Continue and Pay. And then in order to get your Ethereum ERC20 payment proceed automatically, the exact Ethereum amount should reach the specific address. Use only Ethereum network for your transfer. Generate a new payment method for each new deposit. Failure to meet one of the requirements will result in the loss of funds. So guys, we need to transfer this amount of Ethereum to this wallet address. Now we need to open your wallet. For example, I will use BitGet. The process is very similar for other wallets too. So let's go to my wallet. Let's click withdraw. Now let's copy this wallet address from here. I need to select Ethereum. Then we need to select the network, in this case Ethereum network, and paste the wallet address right here. Then click the next button, and then we need to copy the amount of Ethereum we are sending and paste it right here. And click on the withdraw button. Finalize the transaction, and in a few minutes you can check your balance on Pocket Option. So that's how you can deposit Ethereum on your account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.